Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the 3 top ways that you can make passive income on Shopify. Now, we already know for a fact that the Shopify is one of the biggest platforms right now in the industry, a global commerce platform where you can build your business with Shopify. You can sell online, offline, and everything in between. And the reason why I personally love Shopify is the fact that they have millions of merchants available worldwide, and they're operating in more than 170 countries. The total of 10% of the total US e-commerce business is on Shopify. They have a global economic activity of $444 billion. And obviously, if you want to get a piece of that cake, then definitely Shopify is the place to get it. And obviously, with their elements available from creators, developers, partners, and so much more, you can turn followers into customers with the commerce tools for creators and build the future of commerce with the Shopify's powerful APIs. And they even offer you expertise to Shopify merchants all over the world. A commerce solution for growing digital brand is available, guys. And obviously, once you understand the strategy that you need to implement and how you need to implement it, you can grow your business tenfold and obviously break away from the 9-to-5 and get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. And you can build an online store the way that you want it and bring your vision to life with a drag and drop store creator. There is no coding expertise that's required at all. And the best thing that I personally love is the fact that you can select from customizable templates that are created by the community of world-class designers. And the best thing is the fact that you can have features and functionalities to your stores with the apps that have been built by these trusted Shopify developers. Now, one of the things that obviously makes Shopify stand out so much is the fact that you can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools and social integrations and sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. Now, the big question that comes, which a lot of individuals are talking about right now, is the fact that what is the best method to start Shopifying where you can get an element of passive income? We all want to have an element where we can sleep at night and make money at the same time. But the question that a lot of people tend to ask is, how can you do that? And obviously, the best converting checkout on the planet is available on Shopify, and combining the flexibility of point of sale to power your retail store, you can get that done. With their built-in marketing tool, you can reach that financial freedom that you always wanted by reaching new leads and engaging with customers and building your data on top of that. You can even streamline your back office to oversee operations and fulfill every single order and manage your money where you make it. It is as simple, straightforward, and easy as that. If you do not have a Shopify account, guys, don't worry at all. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for free. But obviously, once you have done that, what you need to do is head over to a website which is called fanjoy.co. Now, fanjoy.co is a very interesting website. It's a place where you can really enhance your business strategy and take it to the next level. And the reason why we say that is because they have everything that you want. And obviously, the main element over here, which a lot of people tend to miss, and individuals that do not understand dropshipping tend to make, is that they don't have the proper strategy of implementation of that strategy and execution of that strategy. Fanjoy is a place that you have different creators that are selling merchandise. But one of the major things which I personally feel that the creators tend to lack is the logistical perspective. It's understanding the business side of how things tend to work. And if you can give those elements to the actual individuals that are creating content on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, you're able to enhance them. You're able to take their business to the next level, and combining and synergizing your capabilities and expertise, you're able to create a business that functions and supports and helps the creators and yourself at the same time. And it's for that reason fanjoy.co came into existence, guys. And if you go and click where it says create over here, you'll be able to see all the individuals that are creating content right now on the internet but do not have the elements that are available. Now, if you scroll down below, you'll be able to see the incredible creators and their shop collectors. If I scroll down, you'll be able to see all these names that are available. And obviously, these are individuals that are currently creating on different social media platforms and are selling merchandise by using Fanjoy, and you can help them get there. How do you do it? It's quite simple and straightforward, but for that, you'd have to head over to the next website, which is called Printful.com. On Printful, you can create and sell custom products online and turn your ideas into premium products that leave a lasting impression. There is no upfront fee and no minimum orders required, and there are 438 premium products that are available. It's quite simple and straightforward to use, guys. You can sell with print on demand, you can order for yourself and store your own products, and obviously with the warehouse and fulfillment service to stores, you can sell your own products and promo materials. So how do you do it? It's quite simple and straightforward. You scroll down and you look at all the different products that are available. It could be t-shirts, it could be hats, it could be footwear or drinkware, and if you click on show more, you'll be able to see all the different elements from beach towels, skirts, and even sweatpants and joggers and bags. And what you need to do is select a particular item, and once you've selected it, head over to YouTube, and once you get onto YouTube, I want you to search for something. Let's go for mobile accessories. So we're just going to type in mobile, and once we type in mobile, we'll scroll down and see all these individuals, these YouTube creators that are talking about mobiles. They're talking about different elements connected to mobiles. They're talking about Apple iPhone covers and secondhand phones and all these elements over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to select an individual over here that has a lot of views. This individual has 8,100 views, and once we click on their profile, we'll be able to go and check their element out. And on their channel, they have 60,900 subscribers, and you can check the views that they have. The views are not converting based on the subscribers. So we're going to go ahead and click their about, and once we do that, we'll be able to see all the information about this individual, their email address, their website, and these are individuals that are talking about technology. So what we're going to do is that we're going to drop them a message. They have 4.6 million views in total right now. So that is a lot of individuals that are watching these videos, which we can harness. So we're going to drop them an email, and we're going to say that, listen, we have a project for you where we can combine our powers and make money in the same time. So we're going to make different elements over here. So how do you do that? It's quite simple. Let's scroll right up over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to search for phones. Now, once we do that, you'll be able to see the different products that are available on Printful that you could use and make and actually sell to these creators. And you will have your touch iPhone cases, your iPhone cases, your Samsung cases, your speckled iPhone cases, and AirPod cases as well. These are all the custom products connected with the telephones. So what we are going to do is that we will inform these individuals for them to head over to our Shopify account and buy these particular products. And you can always come into a business partnership with the creators, and imagine the amount of creators that are available on YouTube at this moment in time. If you partner up with at least 10, 50, 100, 200, even 300 creators, you can make a lot of money. It is as simple and straightforward as that, guys. And obviously, when you combine this strategy, you're able to create a business that's going to be everlasting. If you have any questions whatsoever, guys, do let me know in the comment section below, because I'm here to help you, support you, and guide you. And obviously, if you've not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. If you don't have a Shopify account, don't worry, guys. Click in the description below on the link and get your Shopify. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.